So guys, we're at the best part of the AI store builder. We're about to pick what we want on our store. So step 4 is all about customization. So if we scroll down, you can select the niche that you want. Now, at the time that you're recording this, there's 1, 2, 3 niches. By the time this gets released, there should be another 2 added to the AI store builder. And we will be adding loads more over time. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click fitness and gym. I'm going to select green as a color. Now, let's say, for example, you don't know what you want. You can click pick a niche for me and it will do it for you. Now, once you've selected all the options, you should see here at the bottom a option which will say build my store or create my store. You want to hit the button and you will see this cogwheel show up showing the percentage of how long it will take to get your store. You can see here it says don't leave this page. Our AI builder is building your store. It gives you an estimated time. It gives you a little percentage log, and it is telling you at the bottom exactly what the AI builder is doing in the background. So what the AI store builder is doing is it's finding winning products in the niche that you've selected. So it's going to go out there and do the hard work for you. It's also going to go out there and build you a custom logo. It's going to create you a custom FAQ page, custom images. Wait till you guys see the images that you get on the store. It's literally going to build everything up for you so you can get ready to start selling.